Hello, friends. Welcome to my video for the week. This week we are in Rotorua to see a small paradise known as Paradise Valley Springs. This location is well known for lion feeding and patting of lion pups. We took the ticket from the counter and began to explore the area. This place is stunning, with thick foliage all around and streams running through it all. This is the first time I've seen ducks of such big sizes. There are gorgeous, huge, and tall trees around. This section is for wild boars. This section contains a group of deer. Here you may observe various types of trout fish. Yes, if you ask me which is my favorite spot in this small paradise, I would say this is it, even with my eyes closed. The reason I can tell you is that please look at the quality of the water here. It is perfectly clear. I have several goldfish in my pond at home, and I have installed a proper filtration system to ensure that the water is pure. However, you can see the quality of the water here, as the floor at the bottom is very transparent. I'm curious in how this filtration process works. It appears to be entirely natural. These fishes are moving in a circular pattern. It was breathtaking to observe this scene. So this is where you can drink organically cleansed water. I sipped it. It tasted really natural and pure. Here you can also see a variety of fish. This is a deer cullers cabin. So the primary responsibilities of deer cullers are to manage the ecological damage caused by invasive deer species that lack natural predators and cause serious harm to native plants between the 1930s and the 1980s. They typically employed bolt-action rifles in .303 caliber for culling activities. The New Zealand Forest Service hired the majority of these hunters. These are some of the most well-known deer colors in New Zealand. The nature is very untouched. The Post Splitter's Hut in New Zealand's Mamaka Rainforest is a historic monument associated with the early timber industry and settlers who cut native trees for fence posts and railway sleepers. The Mamaka region near Rotorua was previously highly wooded with native trees like rimu, kahikatea, and totara, which were extensively milled from the late 19th to mid-20th century. So, this is the underwater viewing pool. It was interesting to see these fish and their surroundings through their eyes. You might be asking if this is a kangaroo. Actually, it isn't. These are similar to kangaroos, but are much smaller in size. I guess this eel is really old. This small baby pig is currently the cutest animal in the entire paradise. It was so cute that it caught everyone's attention. We spent a long time observing its actions. This is the llama. You can view an adorable rabbit over here. Finally, we will see lions feeding and then patting their babies. Yes, he is really large and strong. There are many people here because it is after midday and they are feeding the lions. So others have come to see this wonderful sight. This enclosure contains 2 males and 2 females. There is a viewing deck over there. It's feeding time now, and the zookeeper has arrived with the meat for the lion. All of the lions are busy eating their lunch. You can see that these are the fresh foods delivered to the lions. I am sure you, like me, would have loved this magnificent sight. I had never witnessed such a close experience with lions. Now it is time to pat the lion cubs. There is a large queue waiting here to do the patting. See, there, how adorable that lion youngster appears. My family also enjoyed this activity. This cute one is snoozing on the zookeeper's lap. Finally, we've concluded our tour to Paradise Valley Springs. I really recommend that if you visit Rotorua, you also visit this gorgeous spot. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. And if you want to be notified of future uploads, subscribe to my channel. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. So, see you all in the future video. Remain tuned, and remain safe. Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thank you.